So I like the spaghetti mop better because it can get in the corners, I feel like, a lot better than some other mops. So when I was working at this tractor company on, let me think, which road was it? I've had like 80 jobs. Let me think. Davis Road, maybe? Concord, New Hampshire. Anyways, let's say Concord, New Hampshire. I would go from different accounts, right? So even though you have one job, you might have like 5 different accounts. So I was mopping, and my boss, Paul, was like, why are you dancing with your mop? Like, I was holding it closely and using my whole body. And he's like, no, it's in the arms. So that's what you want to do. I'm going to try to do this. He's, and he would show me, it's in your arms, it's in your back, it's not your whole body. So make sure you are mopping. They can see the tracks. If you miss something, they can see that with the vacuuming too. Make sure you go over this after. Get any spots. I don't know about that. I don't know if it will come off. And don't use too much soap on your mop, because if it's soapy, the floor is going to be slippery.